Cleaning.
Okay.
Good morning. Current time now is 11:30 in the morning. And I'm still in bed. Part of me, I'm just recording my forehead at the moment. Bulin sat there doing her thing. It is. And I'm kind of glad I have a little bit of voice back. Time to do the morning Saturday chores. First things first, I gotta take out the beddings. Gotta do some bedding laundry today. Let's go. Alright, laundry is loaded for the beddings. I'm going to go and vacuum some stuff out, including the bed. Damn, the voice sounds so bad. Alright, I'm kinda hungry. We have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Thank goodness for Bulin. She got us breakfast. We got bread. Let's eat. After this, I'm gonna fold out the laundry. And then vacuum the floor. Today we're going to be what are we doing today? Yeah, we'll probably build something, whichever allows us to do with a given amount of energy. Pretty much. My boss caught up to me. I was slacking off too much.
I just couldn't sit on that chair.
This is her way of saying I'm not doing a good job. I'm actually gonna be trying out for that winter game where they do the scrubbing. What was that? Curling, yes.
You can play for Canada then.
Oh yeah, represent. Time now is almost 2 o'clock, and finally, we're done with the chores. I was gonna say laundry, but right now the laundry is still being done. Yeah, clean house. Look at Bulin, so hard at work. I love your hair, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So boo boo. What have you done? Cleaning.
Okay.
We're getting ready to head out to eat dinner.
This is like 4 hours later.
Oh yeah. Well, at the very least, the house is clean. Like, dishes are done, laundry is done.
Yeah. The whole time that we time jumped, I was just editing, and he was playing Zelda.
I was playing a little bit.
And yeah, nothing really worth vlogging. That's why you didn't miss much.
Well, I'll be building a Gundam later when we get back.
Yeah.
But right now, I'm really hungry.
Yeah, so we're gonna head out.
Alright, let's go. Well, here we are, biking around. So I'm shooting this in portrait because I have it on the bike stand. We're heading off to Sapo. And we're here. What are you in the mood for? Let's go check it out.
They are full right now. And we're looking at the toy section. They have our boy. Look at that fish.
Oh yeah. It's faded though.
Like our lives.
We're seated and now we're gonna order. Don't know what though.
What did you order?
Da-da-da-da.
Sticky.
The usual.
I got sushi, tempura, and my soba is coming. Soba looks a lot.
Can you eat all of it?
But I'm so hungry, so yes, let's go. Food is done. We're heading out. I want a dessert.
What are two though? Oh, careful. Oh, what the heck is that? Vegetables.
Yeah, they sell vegetables.
Do they have?
Oh, it's apple.
Do they have garlic? Garlic. Ginger.
Ginger. I don't know. Rainbow sauce. May cellphone looking back. It's not what you think, but yes. Oh, very tempting. Nothing catches our fancy, so on we go.
We're gonna try a different one. We're gonna go to this 7-Eleven right here. Oh, last time we were here, we were hunting the Animal Crossing stuff. Let's see what they got.
7-Eleven.
They didn't have this in there, did they?
No. That looks good.
Dark chocolate is always good.
That looks so good. When Midoriya went black.
I was so excited and opened mine already.
Oh, this.
This is how it looks.
It doesn't look very chocolatey.
Yeah, but it smells great.
Oh yeah. Yummy.
But the bread is not crunchy though.
Oh,
But really good.
nice. The ice cream is very sweet. By the end of it, or else it tastes pretty good at the beginning. We both had the same verdict.
Would have been good if you had somebody else to share it, but if you bought one each for yourself, it might be too much.
We came home, took a shower. He is going to make this vlog into a Gundam build vlog.
I have been building a lot of things lately, but last week was the Umish, so now it's gonna be a gun.
Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be building you guys the real grade God Gundam 1/4 scale model kit. I've been having this for it's been so long since I got this. Actually, I've been wanting to build it, but never had really the time to do it because either we're out and about or going somewhere else new. So I think now's a good time to build it because it's kind of nice to build something as well too. So, let's get to it. Well, 35 minutes into the build, and I've only just built like the feet and the right leg. This thing's nuts, like it's crazy difficult. I built a lot of Gundam back in my day when I was younger, but this one really takes the cake. Like, this is the first time in a long time that I've built a Gundam, and I can tell you that the amount of like detail that they put on a 144 scale is just as much as they put on an old, let's say, master grade or the MG 1/100 scale, which is slightly bigger than the one that I'm building right now. And I'm just telling you guys, it's crazy, like just the amount of details. Like, I'm just right here on the second page. That's how difficult this is. Okay, what seemed like an eternity later, I finally finished both legs of the model kit. This thing's just insane. I don't know how many times I've been saying it. Man, they really did a good job on this. Right, so what's the next part? I'm gonna be building the waist unit, which is this part of the Gundam. And I still have a crap more ton to go to. Definitely not a one-day project, I think. Let me just go quickly build the waist unit, and I think I'll call it a night for this, because there's also little bits of like the shaving of the plastic. And I gotta make sure I clean that up too, cause like I did put a lot of effort into vacuuming today.
Day 125. I finally completed the map. No. I think I played, what, a week? 2 weeks? Not even.
Okay, I've done the waist area and actually almost broke apart over here while I was removing the piece. I created a stress mark over here. I just hope that I won't break it when I'm posing it later after I finish it. But yeah, this is at least, wow, an hour-ish into the build. This took quite a while, but man, the posability on this, crazy. Really well done with this, and the amount of like details that is put into it. Actually, some of them have been covered, like you'll never see it unless you actually remove the outer shell. But yeah, they really put a lot. I already have like a guess on how big this Gundam will be. Probably it'll just be around this tall. I don't know, because I've only built like half of it, and it's not even the size of my palm at the moment. So this is gonna be a small one, but man, I still have a lot of parts to go through. I can't finish it tonight. Just gonna have to save it or some other time. Yeah, I'm gonna go and clean up a bit, and I kind of want to play some Zelda at the moment, because Bulin's been playing her Breath of the Wild. I want to play some Tears of the Kingdom. Alright, as I'm cleaning up over here, I actually built a Gundam like about a couple of weeks back, and it's this tiny ass Gundam over here. This is the RX-782 Gundam. I got this one at Family Mart, and I couldn't resist getting it because it was only like 500 yen. If you were to buy this like outside, like elsewhere, they would cost you around 1,000 plus yen. So I got a pretty good price for it. Plus, it looks pretty cool and it's really simple to build. And actually, this one I built it, and man, this one was really awesome as well. So this is the head. And actually you could display it like this, like it looks like you're just building it, right? So this is how it looks. Like this whole thing is actually part of the model kit itself. And if you want to assemble it, well, you can just like take it out, this, and just put it out here. This one kind of pegs round over here. It's the neck. These are the legs. The legs are pretty cute because they're so stubby. Because this is a SD type, like a super deformed. And there's not much to this build. Like it actually just takes you about, I don't know, a good 20 minutes to build. Not much articulation into it, but man, that looks so cool. I don't know if it's coming off clear on the camera, but the feel of the plastic on this thing is really nice. Apparently they're using a recycled type of plastic, so it's different from your usual, I guess, ABS type of plastic, where it's a bit more hard. This one has a much more softer kind of feel to it. When you touch it, it's like silk when you touch it, and it doesn't have as much sheen. But I really dig it. Also comes with some weapons over here. And this one actually, you can plug it into the hands like so. It's beam rifle. And of course, the iconic shield for the RX-782. Like that. That's how he looks. Pretty cool. I wish it came with some transparent parts. Would be cool if they did, like especially for the beam saber. But the beam saber, you kind of have to like paint that in yourself. It looks like a toothpick actually. I forgot to add the backpack too. Let's add the backpack on the back. There you go. That's more complete. Really, really cool. Have you guys ever built a Gundam before? If you do hit it on the link. On the comments down there. Which Gundam did you build and what scale do you guys like building? Personally, I like building about 1/100. SDs are not too bad, but you know, I do like a bigger Gundam. But yeah. Oh, I have to play some Zelda now. Right now, Bulin's playing on the TV. Do you know how to do it? Don't know. Touch it again.
How am I supposed to do this if that?
Magnesis, I guess.
Then I will be halfway through only.
No. Magnesis, the cube. As you move around. Let's see if you're able to do it. I'm gonna be boiling up some water and giving Bulin here some honey water. I also need some honey water as well too. Dry cough is such a hassle.
god. I hate this time travel with the game.
I still have yet to explore the full depths of the depths.
Yeah, like for him it's even more. I finally got my map all open, but like there's just so much to do, so little time. And like I felt myself like going through the same thing that I was playing when I was playing Genshin. Like got distracted by everything. Oh, there's this. Oh, there's a shrine. Oh, there's like side missions.
Yeah, you're also like collecting like inventory for your stuff as well too.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Good job, Nintendo. Sponsors.
Anyways, it's time to sleep. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Take it easy, guys.